So section formula. So in the section formula, first let us see here. When you are taking the one line and in the between one point is there here. Okay, and that point is dividing this line segment in some ratio. Ratio will be given to you here. 2:1 is given. 2:1 ratio. So these type of the problems we are going to solve here in the section formula. So in that we are going to learn the deriving of the section formula. How do we derive the section formula and apply the section formula to find out that it line segment in the given ratio. So means ratio we will find out and identify the corollaries of the section formula. So first thing is that 2 points are given to you here. Let us consider the 2 points here of the line segment, and you can determine the coordinates of the point. One point you can determine and the coordinates of that point which divides the line segment in the given ratio using the section formula. So formula actually here, the formula will be given to you in such a way that in different books, some books ratio will be given to you as a M1 M2 ratio, and in some books it will be given to you M is to N ratio. In some books it will be given to you M1 M2 ratio, whatever it may be that. And how we are deriving that ratio is a very important thing that if you are keeping in the mind, then it is an easy task for you to continue. So we are going to take the 2 points in the coordinates. The first point is a x1 y1 and x2 y2. 2 points we are taken into consider here. So a x1 y and p is the point whose coordinates are x comma y, and this point will divide the in m is to n ratio. That means what you can say, here to here m parts, here to here n parts, p to b n parts, and a to p m parts. Parts. Yes, part. Suppose if we are taking here to here 10 parts, here to here 5 parts. The ratio is 10 is to 5. Is nothing but 2 is to 1 actually. 2 is to 1 ratio means here to here 2 parts, here to here. Actually it is looking like here it is approximately midpoint. Assumption is midpoint की जैसा दिख रहा है. So midpoint बोले तो what can be the ratio? Can anyone tell me? 1 is to 1. So m value means either say either 1 is to 1 ratio. Ratio is 1 is to 1. Okay. So we will consider the point P. P point divides the given line segment in m is to n ratio. So m is to n ratio, this point. So when it is dividing, we need to find out the coordinates of this x and y. XY coordinates we need to find out here. To find out the coordinates of the x and y, what we will do is here. Let us see. So the coordinates of the x comma y. So how do we find out it divides the line segment in m is to n ratio. So when it is dividing in m is to n ratio, and to find out the coordinates, we need to drop the perpendiculars as we have distance formula में कैसे किया है. In the same way, we need to drop the perpendiculars from these 3 points. Now here, can you say that what will be the length of the AQ? Yes, it is AQ is the distance of this point from y-axis now. Y-axis the distance is nothing, sorry, x-axis. X-axis the distance is nothing but y-coordinate. So this will get as a the coordinates. Whenever the coordinate, these lengths we are going to get it. And here the two lines perpendiculars are drawn. And when you see that here 90 degrees we are going to get, and here 90 degrees. So angle ACP is 90 degrees, and angle PB is also 90 degrees. So these two angles, whenever you are taking angle PAC, and angle PPT, these two angles are also equal angles. Why? Because these two lines are parallel, and these two angles will become corresponding angles. These two angles become the corresponding. Why? Angle PAC equal to angle BPD, angle PAC equal to angle BPD क्यों होगा? Because these two lines are perpendicular lines and these two lines are parallel. These two parallel, sorry. ये दोनों perpendicular to parallel lines. Here it is perpendicular we have drawn. Here it is perpendicular we have drawn. That means these two are parallel lines. Then these two are parallel lines. When these two are parallel lines, this is a transversal. Which is transversal? B and AB is a transversal if you are considering. this angle, whatever you are going to get, BPD angle and PAC angle will be equal angle, corresponding angles. So two angles of this triangle and two angles of this triangle are equal. Two angles equal means by AA similarity criterion, you can say that the two triangles are similar. The two triangles are ACP and PDB, not PDB. You are going to say similarity. How do you say similarity? In this order only we need to say similarity. Okay, so these two triangles are similar, you can say that, and when they are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides proportionality means here we are going to get AP by PB is equals to AC by PD is equals to PC by BD. These three are equal here. Now what we need required here? We required this length and this length, and we required this length and this length. AC, how do we find out? We are having the AC will be equal to QR. AC will be equal to QR. QR कितना होगा? OR minus OQ होगा. Isn't it? OR minus OQ. That I will show it to you. See here. We are going to get this. AC will be equal to QR, and QR is OR minus OQ. So OR length is equals to X. Here to here is nothing but इसका X coordinate. Distance up to this particular point from the y-axis. A distance equal होगा ना? Confusion है ना? Is it clear? So actually this point distance from the y-axis, point P distance from the y-axis is nothing but OR. It is equals to OR. So OR is what you are going to get X, and OQ is X1. So in the same way, if you find out PD will be equal to RS. PD will be equals to RS. So RS, how do you find out? OS minus OR. OS minus OR here. So OS will be equal to X2 and OR will be equal to X. Like that, PC we need to find out here. PC, this distance. So how do you get the PC? PC will, we are going to get here, I am going to explain PC. PC, how do you get here? This distance. This will be equal to this total distance minus this distance. So here to here, RC will be equal to AQ. So AQ is equals to what? Y1. So here to here it is Y1. The total is Y. So Y minus Y. PC is Y minus Y1. And in the same way, BD is equals to, can anyone tell BD is equals to what? BD क्या होगा? So here, what we are going to BD length कितना होगा? Can you tell me? DS कितना है? BS. हाँ, that's what coordinates. What is coordinate? X2 Y2 है ना? BS कितना? हाँ, BS. BS बेटा, BS I am asking. Y2, very good. BS is Y2. Here B to S is Y2. Isn't it? समझ में आ रहा है? So now BD चाहिए तो A इसको इक्वल, RP को इक्वल. RP कितना है? Y. तो ये Y2 minus Y है, ये Y minus Y1. ये Y2 minus Y है, ये Y minus Y1. Like that, AC आ जाएगा, PD आ जाएगा. The ratios should be taken into consider, these ratios. And here AP by PB. AP by PB is equals to AC by PB. तो AP by PB कितना है? M by N. AP by PB is equals to M by N. And AC already we have found that is X minus X1. AC is X minus X1 and this is X2 minus X. Okay. So that we have taken. And from that equation I'm solving, MX क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द x. थोड़ा सा ये फास्ट चल रहा है, so I will explain the cross multiplication. Simple है. And after cross multiply, what you need to do here? We need to find out the x coordinate. x को एक जगह में लेकर we need to take the all the x terms together. अब इधर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद what is done here? mx2 minus mx nx nx1. तो ये x terms क्या है? What are the x terms we are having here? The two x terms are written together and taken common. That is x into m plus n is equals to mx2 plus nx1. Now from this x is equals to what do you get? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So now what we are going to get from this here? X coordinate we got. In the same way, y coordinate, how do you find out? Yes. What? Yes, hypotenuse only. Now, obviously, in both the triangle, they are hypotenuse. Both the triangle, they are hypotenuse. So, hypotenuse here, already we have said that these two triangles are similar. Then the corresponding sides are in. Corresponding sides are in. Means we are going to get AC by PB is equal to AC by PD. One ratio is taken from that x value we are getting. In the same way, AP by PB is equals to PC by DDA. Then y we are going. Okay, same way as it is involved with PC by BD. So AP by PB is equals to PC by BD. In the same way, we are proceed in the same way. M by n is equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. Y value we are going to get m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. But don't get confused. So x coordinate and y coordinate we got it. X coordinate and y coordinate आ गया है. So x coordinate y coordinate आने के बाद what are the points here? We are going to get a point which divides the line segment joining the 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2 in the m is to n ratio is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by m plus. So the point is that. इसको क्या बोलना है? See, I have told to you in a single sentence. What is that? Point which divides the line segment joining the 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2 in m is to n ratio. That is a point which divides the line segment joining the 2 points whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2 in m is to n ratio. But in your textbook, wherever you see that, textbook में आप देख लिया तो आपका textbook में ratio is given to you m1 m2 ratio. Don't get confused. I already told in different books, different way it is given. Usually the way, if you observe the other books also, in state government books, so m is to n is given. So that's why that doesn't matter. Whatever it may be the ratio is, n का place में m2 देख. आपका textbook में NCERT book में m1 m2. So m1 m2 बोला तो m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m plus n, m1 by 2 plus m2 by 1 by m plus. Is it clear? The proof. Simple proofs can be seen when you are having the proof in your mind. आपका mind में proof होता है, तो then it is an easy task for you to remember. Proof is easy proof. That's why we have discussed it. Now let us move to the exercise problems. Which one? QR and RS. No. How do you say? QR and RS. That's what I said. Here the point P is looking like a midpoint. That's why you are getting these 2 points equal जैसा दिख रहे. दिखने में हम लोग नहीं बोल. We are not supposed to say whatever it is appearing to us. हमको कैसे दिख रहा है वो दिखने में हम नहीं बोलना. Clear to you? Huh? So we start the exercise now.